In this video, I will give you a quick overview of the Adobe Connect interface as seen by a host. A host has full control over every aspect of the meeting. They control when the meeting starts and ends, and can also display content as a presenter would. At first, we will start with the audio controls. Provided that you began the audio conference, clicking on the audio button will display a small list of audio controls. You can stop the meeting audio, change the mode, in other words, allow VoIP or disable it. You can enable lecture mode, which prevents students from speaking. You can stop an audio broadcast. You can call a user directly into the call, or you can disable microphone rights for participants. You can control your own audio setup via the speaker and microphone buttons. If you click on the speaker icon, you can enable your speakers. You can mute and unmute your microphone by clicking on the Mute My Microphone button. If they're green, it means you're broadcasting and hearing sound. If they're white, it means they're currently muted. You can also start your webcam by clicking on this button here, and then clicking Start Sharing over here. If you'd like to raise your hand or change your status, click on the Raise Hand button, or click the drop-down to select status. Keep in mind that clicking the Step Away button will automatically mute your microphone. Next, we have the video pod. The video pod allows you to start and share your webcam. Just click Start My Webcam and Start Sharing to immediately start sharing your webcam feed. Below that is the attendees list. Here, you can view all people currently connected to the call. Here we can see there's one host and several participants. If you need to change somebody's role, click and drag on their name to promote or demote them. You can also hover your mouse over someone's name to receive a couple options. You can change their status here, mute them if they're too loud, disable or enable their video access, or even request them to share a screen or send them a private message. You can send text messages using the chat pod found in the lower right. These messages go out to all users unless specified otherwise, and are useful if somebody can't connect their audio. The last pod, which is rather large in the middle of the screen, is the Share pod. To share your screen with participants, just click the Share My Screen button. You'll be able to choose which monitors you want to share, as well as specific applications or windows. Keep in mind that this will share your entire screen, so try not to leave your email or sensitive information on your screen. If you only want to share a file, you can click on the drop-down and click Share Document. From here, you can select any previously uploaded documents, or click Browse My Computer to upload a new one. Adobe Connect accepts a wide variety of file formats, from videos to PowerPoints to PDFs to even images. To upload one, simply click Browse My Computer and double-click on any PowerPoint to open it up. The file will take some time to convert and upload. The smaller the PowerPoint, the quicker it'll upload. Once it's up, you can navigate between slides using the arrow keys in the lower left-hand corner, or by pressing the arrow keys on your keyboard. When you're done, you can click the Stop Sharing button. There's also a host of drawing tools by clicking on the Draw button. You can use the pencil tool to circle or freehand draw. If you share a whiteboard, you can share a drawing screen without having to upload a PowerPoint. This is useful if you're taking notes. To end the meeting, click on Meeting and End Meeting.